Hey guys, today I will show you how to connect your PC to mobile phone over mobile hotspot and use your mobile internet on your PC or laptop. If you want to connect your phone with your PC over USB cable, click on the card on the top right corner of the screen and watch my video. So let's get started. Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. First, go on your phone and go into settings. On your phone you need to select this option, mobile network. You will maybe have different options like this one here where it says connections, or maybe just option where it says more. Search your phone until you find this option, tethering and portable hotspot, or just hotspot. It all depends on what type of phone you have. When you find it, select hotspot option, and here you see personal hotspot, so select it. Before we enable hotspot, you need to configure some basic settings. So select configure hotspot. Under hotspot name, you can type what will be name of your hotspot, and under that name it will be visible on your PC. Encryption type. Here you can choose will your phone hotspot be password protected or open. I suggest you don't set your hotspot without encryption, because everyone in range can connect and use your mobile internet. Especially don't do this if you have limited data on your phone internet. Under password, enter desired password which must be typed before anyone can connect to your hotspot. Under advanced options, you can choose AP band and select 2.4 or 5 GHz. Some network adapters don't support 5 GHz connection, so if you can find your hotspot on PC, select 2.4. Broadcast channel leave on auto. Max connections allowed. Here you can set how much devices can connect to your hotspot at the same time. If you connect with only one device, you can set it to 1. This way, if you are connected, no other devices can connect even if they know your password, until you disconnect. Just choose how much users you want to allow on the same time. Under mobile hotspot turn off timer, you can set your hotspot to turn off after some time of inactivity. Select desired option. We are done here, so we will go back. Next, you have data limit. Here you have option to set data limit if you want. So after reaching limit you set, your hotspot will turn off automatically. Also select your desired limit if you don't have flat internet. Under connected devices, you can see devices connected to your hotspot. If you see some device here you don't recognize, you can click on it and add it to blacklist, and it will automatically disconnect that device from your hotspot. In block list option, you have devices that you blacklisted, and if you want to remove any of this device from blacklist, just click on the device and select OK. After we're done with settings, we will turn on our hotspot. So toggle this on. Now your hotspot is visible. You don't have to go back here every time you want to turn on your hotspot. You can do it from quick settings or drop down menu. Just slide your finger from the top of the screen and you will see option hotspot. Just click on it to toggle it off or on. Now we will go on our PC and connect to our mobile hotspot. So click on your network icon here and find your hotspot name, and this is mine. You can leave this checked if you want your PC to connect automatically, and select connect. Here you will enter password you created on your phone and select next. You can read this and select yes or no. And we are now connected to our mobile hotspot. And that's it guys for this video. If it helped you, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss my next video. Thank you all for watching.